Okay, you guys, I'm super excited to show you how to set end dates, especially since all the quizzes have to have the same end date, but then it's even faster to set due dates this way. So Andrea helped find this for us. So if you click on Tools and go to Course Admin, and then in Course Admin, click on Manage Dates. I don't know how this works with other subjects, which is why I was just sharing this with you guys for now. Oh, let me move this over a little bit. Here's what manage dates looks like. So then what we're going to do is we're going to search for content items, and any content items, you might have to open this advanced filter. If you see it has like classes, it has quizzes, or sorry, like the lesson, the quizzes, the grade item, and we just want the quizzes that are in the content. So we click content item, and then we're going to search for anything that has the word quiz in it and apply filter. So you can see I already started, but if you want to set the same end date for all of your quizzes, you can see my quizzes there on the screen. I'm just going to click select all because this is everything that has quizzes, and then you do bulk edit. And if you go down, I'm going to set the end date to the same thing. So you just type in the date that you want. 12/22 is the end of the semester, and fix the time to 11:30 p.m. and save, and it will set all of your end dates to be the exact same thing all in one click. The other thing that's super nice is setting due dates because it's a little bit faster for me anyway. Like you can set due dates the other way, but like quiz 3.01 on my pacing guide, I have due October 18th. So I just click on this little minus sign there, has a due date. I want it on October 18th at 11:30, and that's when quiz 3.01 is due, and it just shows up right there. 3.03 and so on, and you can just set all of your due dates from here as well if you want. When you're ready to do your tests, you can still click on content item, but then if you want to do part 1, since our naming conventions all have part 1 test in their name, you can click apply filter, and then it will bring up all of your part 1 tests, and you could set due dates and end dates that way as well. You could do the same for part 2 or anything else in there. Anyway, thought that was super cool. It's kind of hard to put in the directions for our checklist, and so just thought I'd make this quick video, and you can use it or lose it, but I was pretty excited to find this slick, easy way to do all those end dates. So, all right, that's it. Thanks.